Good morning, everyone. Before we start our watch, a quick briefing. We're currently at the Port of Manila, and cargo operations are ongoing. On top of that, safety is our priority. Duty officer, what's our status?
While underway, I stand my watch on the bridge. But if we're in port, I stand gangway watch.
Shipmate, the cargo loading checklist is complete. The terminal representative is on board. And we're confirmed, the mooring lines are secure. Fire hoses and spill kits are in position.
Excellent, AD. You'll patrol the deck and monitor cargo areas for any leaks or unsafe practices. OS, you'll man the gangway, check IDs, record visitors, and ensure no authorized persons come on board. Understood?
I like showing you guys the
Officials and surveyors may not be on the list, or at least be listed by name.
Duty officer, this is AB. I'm at the forward deck. All mooring lines are tied. No chopping noted. Cargo operation running smoothly.
Copy that. AB. Keep absorbing for oil spills or sparks near in the loading area.
Good morning. Port security here, requesting permission to board for routine inspections.
Sir, please sign in the visitor log and present your ID. All clear. You may proceed with escort.
Thank you, Seaman. I appreciate the operation.
Duty officer, make sure the visitor log is updated and the restricted areas remain secure.
Understood, Chief. OS. Ensure the visitors are escorted at all times.
Aye, sir.
1.
Shipmate, small oil leak detected near the manifold connection port side.
Copy that. Sound the deck alarm. Stop cargo operations immediately. AB. Place drip trays and contain the spill. DO. Inform the terminal supervisor and start the shipboard oil pollution emergency plan.
I keep all cargo operations stop. Spill response team, stand by.
Good job, everyone. The situation is under control. Remember, vigilance prevents escalation. That's why deck watch duties are critical.
Shipmate, the incoming watch is ready to take over. All cargo areas are checked. Logs update and no further incidents reported.
Well done, team. The watch was properly maintained in line with Chapter 8 of the STC Abuse Code. Continuous monitoring, communication, and situational awareness. Safety doesn't end when the ship's at port.